Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. You can make it smaller by tapping on home button. If you wish to use it again, just click on it. But you can also move it around by holding this line over here and dragging it wherever you wish to. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just tap on the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to go back from this mode, click on this button with 3 lines again and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!